Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini Browser. You need to install it, you don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and tap on the Home button. Now select Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Then select Manage Apps over here and click on those three dots at the top right corner. From here, select Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. I want to change my browser apps, I will go with Browser and click on the chosen one, in my case Opera Mini. So now when I go back, I can see that my default browser has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!